Hello, and welcome back. In this lesson, we're tackling faulty references. A faulty reference occurs when a pronoun doesn't have a clear antecedent, also known as an ambiguous pronoun, or lacks one altogether, called a dangling pronoun. Here's an example of an ambiguous pronoun. The girl asked her aunt if she would have time to shower before dinner. The ambiguous pronoun is she, because what is the antecedent of that pronoun? Is it the girl, or is it her aunt? If the antecedent is the girl, the sentence means the girl wanted to shower before dinner, so she asked her aunt if there was time. However, that's a little bit wordy, so if you're looking for a more interesting way to rewrite this with clarity, try putting it in dialogue, such as, the girl asked her aunt, "Do I have time to shower before dinner?" Now, let's look at it the other way. If the aunt is the antecedent, then what the sentence means is, the girl's aunt wanted to shower, but dinner was soon, so the girl asked her if she actually had time. Now that is even wordier, so again, dialogue would make it clearer. The girl asked her aunt, "Do you have time to shower before dinner?" Alright, let's switch gears and look at a dangling pronoun. In this sentence we have, she realized she'd never written a word of creative fiction, yet she still wished to be one. The dangling pronoun is one, because what would be its antecedent? Well, the only conceivable thing in this sentence that could be the antecedent is a word of creative fiction, but I'm pretty sure the person in this sentence doesn't want to be a word of creative fiction. So what we have is a pronoun with no antecedent. The way to rewrite it, of course, is to replace the pronoun with what it intends. So we could say, she realized she'd never written a word of creative fiction, yet she still wished to be a writer. So that's how you can tackle faulty references in your writing.